Bruin Corporation is your home renovation expert, specializing in windows, roofing, siding, and insulation. For over 35 years, we've been providing customers with quality work and outstanding service. For this project, we started by removing the existing shingles and rubber roofing to prepare for the installation of a new skylight. Once the skylight was completely set, we applied a new rubber roofing around it and shingles throughout the rest of the roof. We then moved on to remove existing windows and installed brand new ones throughout the home. We wrapped up this project by installing all new siding of the home, and over the course of a few days, we helped this homeowner give his property a new, updated look and increase his property's value and efficiency. For any of your home renovation needs, visit us at bruincorp.net or call us at 800-427-8467.